Hello everybody. I want to show you how to hide your applications, especially in some countries where we have privacy issues. Okay, you can see a lot of apps here now. A lot of apps. So if you want to hide these apps without using any third-party app, you just have to go to the settings. You go to screen time. When you click screen time, you click content and privacy restriction. When you click that, you're going to click content restrictions. Once you click content restrictions, you're going to click apps. Then you have to select don't allow apps. Once you're done with that, you can go back to your screen. All you can see here now are default applications, like your default iPhone application, and the downloaded app won't even show on the app library. So that's that. If you want to remove it, you can go back to screen time, just like you did. Go back to screen time, content and privacy restriction, content restrictions, apps, and allow all apps. Once you allow all apps, you're going to see every application you downloaded on your mobile phone. So that's it, guys. Please subscribe to my channel for more tips.